Watch as this dog asks for help from the police to save his friend, who fell on the edge of the river, and see how quickly the police helped the dog until the dog was saved. And finally, the dog ran happily together.